In this video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how to register on this latest airdrop. I'll be taking you step by step on how to register and do task on this airdrop. If you want to make money online this 2024, this is one of the airdrop that you shouldn't miss. This is the same way a Zeta airdrop. You know Zeta. I know you heard of Zeta airdrop when it entered mainnet, when they enlisted it. This is the same way we that participated in Zeta airdrop, the same way we picked points. In Zeta airdrop, people made millions. Just few tokens that you pick made people millions. If you have like 2,000 of Zeta token, you have already made almost $5,000. So this airdrop, you shouldn't mix it. As in fact, your village people should not carry you where this airdrop is. You don't have to miss it. Don't fade. As you are watching this video, click on this link in the description box and register and follow the steps on how to do the task. So if you really want to make money online, don't joke with this airdrop because they have raised millions of dollars for this particular project. This is a project that you shouldn't miss as long as you are in cryptocurrency, as long as you are into cryptocurrency, as long as you are hunting for airdrop. You shouldn't miss this airdrop, and it doesn't require gas fee for you to do this particular airdrop. It doesn't require gas fee. So all you need to do is to copy the link in the description box, you paste it in your MetaMask browser. If you have Mrs. Browser and you have imported your MetaMask extension to Mrs. Browser, you can just copy the link and paste it in your Mrs. Browser. If you don't have Mrs. Browser, or maybe you have OKX Web3 wallet and you have imported your MetaMask to OKX Web3 wallet, all you need to do is to copy the link that I'm going to drop in the description box and paste it in the OKX Web3 browser. But if you don't have OKX, if you don't have if you have not imported your MetaMask extension to the Mrs. Browser, all you need to do is just copy the link and paste it in the MetaMask dApp. Do you understand? So after you must have pasted it, it's going to tell you to connect wallet. So you click on connect wallet. Don't bother about the network that is going to the network it will choose. To choose network on its own automatically because it's a test net. Do you understand? It's a test net, so it's going to choose network automatically. So all you need to do is just for you to connect the wallet. So once you connect the wallet, it's going to ask you to input a referral code, which is a must for you to input a referral code. So you are going to copy the referral code. I'm going to drop it in the description box of this video. So you paste the referral code and then you continue. So if you connect your wallet successfully, it's going to bring you to this page. So after you must have connected your wallet successfully, so you see this reward. You come to this reward. Now, this is how to do your task. You come to this reward. You can click on all these things, explore, create rewards accounts to see what is inside. All right, you can click there to see what is inside. So, but for now, as you can see, I have 0 points on my reward. I have 0 points. I've not done anything in this in my dashboard. I've not done anything. I've not done any task. So for you to do task, you just click on this rewards. You click on the rewards. So as you can see, you come here, you see locked. This one is locked. You scroll, you see lucky man locked. All of them is locked. So you're going to start from the first one that is not locked. As you can see, is 0/8. So you're going to do tasks to connect points. So make sure that you are doing this task to connect your points. Do you understand? So now let me click on the first one. They say unlock your Eesee adventure. So you claim 100 points. So let me claim the 100 points. As you can see, I've successfully claim the 100 points. So this number 2, they say stay in the loop. Stay in the loop. So all you need to do is to click on this link like this. Stay ahead on your journey with Eesee updates. Follow us at Twitter. So you are going to click on that link to follow them on Twitter. All right. So you just follow them on Twitter. All right. So you go back. So you go back. You click on declare. So it's checking. It's checking to know if I actually follow them. Okay, guys. I think network is bad, but that is just how to do this point. So once it's done checking, you are going to see reward. So you are going to claim it. 100 points, you claim it to add. So you come to the third one. They say join the Eesee conversation. So follow the VC AD. So you just click on this link and follow. So once you follow them, you come and declare here. So once you declare, it is going to check, it's going to verify. So after you come back and close and claim. So once you claim this one, as you can see, this one is closed. As you are doing the task one by one, it will be opening for you one after the other. All right, to be opening for you one after the other. Like this one is said, amplify your Eesee voice. After the previous level. So you just click on it. Connect your Discord account. After the previous level. So this one I say connect your Discord account. All you need to do is you go back to your account. Go to your account like this. Go to your account like this. For you to connect your Discord, go to your account. Click on your account. Okay. So you click on this settings icon. So you click there. So you click on this linked account. So you click on the linked account. But before you click on this link account, you need to fill in all this display name, username, public description. As you can see, I've not done it. So you can actually do. I'm going to do it offline, but it's simple. So after you must have done with it, you click on apply so that you save it. So after you must have input your profile, you click on this linked account. You click on the linked account to connect your Twitter. You connect your Discord. You connect your Telegram. You input your email address and send a mail. So all this is what you are going to link. Then you click on apply. Do you understand? You click on apply. So after you must have done that, you go back to your rewards. You go back. As you can see now, I have 100 points, right? Before I was having 0 points. So you go back to your rewards. You continue with your task. It's very easy. Please, I'm still saying it. It's as if I'm begging, because I know what is coming up if you do this particular airdrop. We have been on the testnet since last year for a few months now. So if you don't want to miss big thing in this 2024, please register and start participating in this testnet airdrop. So after you must have completed 8/8. So now this one will open. You click on it. So after that one, you click, just be doing your tasks daily. See, all of them is locked because you have not done the first one. all of them is locked. It's after you must have finished this one, then it will be unlocked for you to participate. Please don't joke with this airdrop, all right? It's very important. I know why I'm shouting it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Remember, I told you guys that I'm going to be posting legit airdrop that will change your story, that will change your financial freedom on my channel. So register and share my channel link to your family and friends so that they can also learn how to participate in this airdrop. Thank you and God bless you.